In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on About Phone section. Then click on device name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. Now, to confirm your choice, hit OK in device name pop-up, and then also OK in the second one about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!